What's up, guys? You guys want to take a quick peek in the back of the Pleasure-Way? Everything works here. I just want you guys to look at it real fast. Everything's on. I got my own generator all set on. Everything works. Microwave works. There's the microwave. There's your bathroom. Lights in the bathroom both work. Everything in here works and is all good to go. As far as controls, obviously there's the fridge, which is on. Fridge is on. Actually, ice cold. I feel it. Ice cold. Here's all your stove, sink, lighting. Here's your air conditioning system back here. We've already tried this, but turn it on right here. It's on cool. This blows ice cold, guys. So there is your AC system right here, and it also has a fan. Thermostat's over here. As far as your bed goes, that's a power bed, guys. Just take a quick look at it. Folds out all the way down. Just hit the button and boom, you're sleeping. This whole thing is, one big area. You hit the button back, it goes up. As far as the TV goes, pop this open. Remotes are back here, outlet, all your stuff is there for your TV and all your hookups. So that is all working, and that's about it, guys. Here's your Pleasure-Way. Really cool stuff. Everything's here. There's another piece there that pops open if you guys want to, cook or have a little extra, space to put stuff on. You're good to go there. And that's your van, man. You got compartments here, compartments here. There's a lot of compartments here. A big one in here with a light, which is really cool. I guess it has a hanger. You can hang stuff, and you're all good to go there. So that's your Pleasure-Way, guys. See you. Good luck. No reserve.